In this video, we're going to talk about how to edit and delete categories should you need to do that on your site. If you'd like to know more about how to add a category, that is explained in the video that's located earlier in this support article. So if I want to edit a category, I'm going to come to my dashboard and then get to the categories by hovering over the Stories tab, and then selecting Story Categories. And so to edit that, just hover over the category and then click Edit, and that will allow you to change the name of the category. If you needed to adjust the slug, which is what appears at the end of the category URL, you could do that here. You could also place this category into a parent category if you wanted to make it a subcategory. So let's say I wanted audio to be a subcategory of entertainment. I could select entertainment here as the parent category. And then if I update that, we'll see that audio now appears under entertainment. If I wanted to switch that back, it would be just simple as coming back here and selecting none on the parent category by editing that category. One thing to note, if I change the name of the category, say to audio stories, just a reminder that if that was already placed on your menu, if you didn't change the name of the category when you added it to the menu, it will automatically update when you update the name of that category. However, if you had changed the name of the category, you would need to come into Edit Navigation menus and adjust the navigation label. So maybe I just want that to say audio on the menu there. I could do that by adjusting the label here, saving the menu, and then that word matches whatever I set using that navigation label tool in the Edit Navigation menus area of the site. So that's how I can edit categories. Say though I wanted to delete categories. Say I want to delete this audio and how to. It's the same place. You're going to go to your dashboard and then come to the Stories tab, go to Story Categories, and there is an easy way to delete that. However, one thing we always caution people about before immediately deleting stories is you can see which stories, or before deleting categories, you can see which stories are in that category by clicking this number that appears under Count. So I can come here and see that I've got 2 stories here that are in audio stories. Now, if these were only in audio stories, what would happen if I deleted the audio stories category is those stories then become uncategorized. So that means if they're not displayed anywhere on the home page in like a recent stories widget, then they aren't going to appear anywhere unless someone directly searches for them using the headline and the search function. So before deleting categories, we always recommend checking out those stories. And if they aren't placed in any other category, just coming here to quick edit, removing that category you're about to delete, and making sure to add them into one other category that's still going to remain. So then after you have done that for your categories there, then if you delete that category, then it's gone. And if you come to the home page here, it also falls off of the navigation menu if it's deleted. And if you had that category displaying using one of these story list widgets, that widget would also no longer appear. However, it might generate some white space because it could be an instance where there are no other widgets in that area. And so if you may need to edit some widgets, add some widgets there to fill that space. For more about how to do that, check out the widgets support article and video. So those are the steps to edit and delete categories. Thanks for watching.